Zhejiang Guyuehu Industry and Trade Company Limited was established in 2009 and located in Yongkang City, the hardware capital of China, with convenient transportation access. Our company has nearly 11 years of experience in the field of manufacturer and exporter of electric pruner, electric chainsaw, tape tool, grafting tool, tomato pollinator, and so on. It covers an area of 8,000 square meters with more than 100 employees. All of our products comply with environmentally friendly and are greatly appreciated in a variety of different markets throughout the world. Boast an annual sales figure that exceeds USD 7,500,000 and currently export 30%, Europe, Asia, Oceania. We have built a long-term cooperation relationship with our customers. Our well-equipped facilities and excellent quality control throughout all stages of production enable us to guarantee total customer satisfaction. Also offer ODM and OEM service. Besides, we have received CE certifications. Based on modernized management system, excellent cost performance, unique and innovative designs, we have gained sound international reputation in the field. Besides, we are constantly developing new products to meet the changing needs of the market. We always keep an eye on every single detail, while not losing overall views, and provide our customers with all-round, high-quality pre-sales and after-sales services. We sincerely expect new and old customers, both from domestic and abroad, to visit our company and establish long-term cooperative relationship.